Hello everyone, welcome back. Well, it's me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually earn by just writing articles. Well, I know there are a lot of other sites such as Medium or Quora. Those sites also work in the same manner where you write and get paid, but this one site was completely different. The approach which they used to pay you, or an approach which they use, is completely different in the site. There are two ways of paying. One is going to be pay per view and one is going to be pay per action. Well, mostly I am going to stay on the pay per view side. So first of all, I'm just going to show you the payment methods first. The payment methods are PayPal, FaucetPay, Skrill, Binance, Paytm, and Bitcoin. Well, the minimum withdrawal option is going to be $10, where you can use Binance, such as Paytm, and FaucetPay. Well, now we've seen this. I will just show you the payout rates per thousand views. Payout rates per thousand views is what determines. So let's say you actually when seeing these prices, you may think it is a bit less considering it's 4,000 views, but just remember $5 per thousand views is very high. Okay, so just keep it in mind. Now I'm just going to focus on some of the important countries which if I'm just going to focus on my country, it's going to be, I am from India, so I'm just going to search for India. So yeah, I get $2 per thousand views. So you can just search for your country and find out the price. Well, me myself, I have made an account and I simply just posted two articles over here. This is just a recent article which I did not post. I posted two articles, and from these two articles I was able to earn. So just from two views, I was able to earn this much. So just imagine, I did not promote my article anywhere. I just saw the article myself two times. So I got literally $2. I mean, not $2, but $0.004. So for 1,000 views, I would get $2. So guys, so this is one of the best websites which pay you for writing an article. It may be about anything. It may be a blog. It may be, let's say for me, I have a YouTube channel, so I'm just going to focus on writing articles for my YouTube channel. Like I posted a video on torrent tracker list for download, so I just wrote an article. So instead of maintaining my own blog, the best benefit is that if I just use this blog, it has a higher chance of reaching out and being available on the Google search engine. And one more thing is that I can actually pay a higher amount of rate from my blog. So that is one of the things. So for example, I am just searching for Redmi Note Xiaomi 14 CV. As we can see, it is ranked over here. And if we just click here, I'm just getting redirected to this website. So, well, there are a lot of chances that our article is also going to be, get ranked. So by ranking over here, we get a user reach, a higher reach, and we get paid a lot. Well, there are few ads, but I don't mind it as it's just on the side over here. So if you just come to this website, you can also, so from here on, all my articles, for every YouTube video, there's going to be an article, and all the articles will be written in this website, and it can be found here. Now I'm just going to go back over here. I just click on this, I get navigated to this page, that is I write and get paid. All I have to do is post an article and I would get paid. Now I'm just going to show you whether my view has paid out or not. Well, the viewing time depends. So if my article is higher, then it would be need to be read for at least 100 seconds. But if my article is short, then it depends on the time, on the size of the article. My article is pretty big, so I guess uh, it would need at least the maximum of a minimum of 100 seconds read time. So, and one more thing which I found out is this over here. Refer your friend from Scriber World. Okay, if I just click on this, I get redirected to this page over here, referrals. So obviously, guys, I am going to leave my referral link in the description in the first comment. So please make an account in this website from my referral link, so you receive 20% of your lifetime earnings. So this is another great way for you people to earn. You can just refer your friends who write or who's interested in writing, and just share your link with them, and they can earn and you can also earn along with them. The one important thing which I love with this website is going to be the user interface. It is actually pretty good. I actually love it. It's actually fully customizable. As we can see, we have all the options over here to customize our website. Now, if I'm just going to focus on the withdrawal, see, we can just customize our profile and we can choose our withdrawal account too from over here. So guys, I hope today's video is useful to you, and if it is useful to you, just go click on the thumbs up button and just go try it this website. And if you enjoy or if you did like this website, just please say or just please leave your review in the comment section. And one more thing, my referral link is going to be available in the description in the first comment, so please go take a look at it. Once again, it's me, Surya Prakash, signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.